On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Thirsty Thursday. Happy haircut day. Hopefully, you guys caught the London Long if you've been up for it. Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Now getting a rejection. It's choppy, man. It's very choppy. Good to see everybody. Thank you for being here. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Get your coffees. Let's jump into the charts and the chat. Happy start to the Olympic hockey. Should be good. Looking forward to that. I think we'll be watching it. I know I'll be watching it, even if we're doing live scalping after the stream today. We'll be definitely doing some hockey watching and trading. We got Canada and Czechia. I don't know why. Can anybody tell me why they call it Czechia now? I mean, isn't it just the Czech Republic? I don't know. Maybe I'm Czechoslovakia. It's not like combined anymore. It's like, are they different? They're probably different. I'm just an idiot. We watched Slovenia last night. Awesome. Good to see you guys. I'm in an igloo, guys. Don't hate, man. Don't hate. I'm in an igloo. Like, I'm more concerned about my polar bear getting fed just enough that in case someone breaks in and they try to take my ledger, that they're going to find out. Right? That's all I'm concerned about. What's going on, Chris? Good to see you, Primo Viva. Aldo. Good morning, gang. Good to see you, Chantel, Shrianne, Tom G's. What's going on, Adam? Hakeem B and Alexandra G. Oh man, 2 more days left on the sale, guys. I guess I gotta post that thing. Everybody using their pink box here. Pink box sale. There it is. Gotta pin that. Pin that for everyone. See all these things, working for the weekend. How do you guys like the new toilet paper holder? Guys, I'm over the top always. Like, over the top is just, like, I feel like even if I'm in someone's house and if it's in the wrong direction, or if it's like not even on the roller thing, I feel like I gotta fix it, just to show them like, what's up. No, I fix it when I go to people's houses and it's the wrong way. I fix it before I use it, which I rarely do. It's kind of weird. It's like you have a you have like you can shut off the poo-o-meter. Like you don't have to poo at other people's houses. You can just turn it off. But I tell you, when you're home and you're out in the garden or something like that, it's full on. You run in like you're gonna shit your pants, right? It's kind of weird how that works, right? It's all psychological, isn't it? Anyways, we're not gonna get too far down the rabbit hole with that one, but yeah, interesting. DG, good to see you. G1, good to see you. Keen Bean, J, D Crypto, good to see you. Jay, thank you for being here. Getting acceptance back into the symmetrical triangle. I hate symmetrical triangles. What a guan, Philly skills, my man. You seen, brother? I'm sorry, I'm just letting out, I mean, I used to get my haircut from day one from my man he's from Haiti, Frankie. God bless him. He used to give me my skin fade when I was in grade 8. I mean, he was my barber for 25 years. If I showed you this barbershop, I'm the only white boy that can come up, say, well, go on, Frankie. And he would let me come and sit. He would let me skip the line and I'm telling you, scary mofos. Scary mofos. And he would let me skip the line because I was there, loyal to the coil my whole life. This was the barbershop. Elegant style, man. Elegant style. I actually helped him renovate it a little bit here. This one right here. Elegant style, man. This is where I used to go. If you know, you know, man. This is a place in Toronto. Elegant style, my man, Frank. Bat Ski Trone, Curtis Hill, my man. Congratulations. Welcome to the family, brother. Curtis Hill's taking a look around. He won the membership yesterday. Good job, Beckman. Froth Dog, good to see you. Darren, Steve Hickey, Midnight Hammer, good to see you as well. Crypto Traveler, let's go. Mark Gustafson, Isaac, good to see you, man. How you doing? Bitcoin here. Not touching this, guys. Don't... Guys, right now you can see this. Like this is no namby-pamby kind of price action. Very slow and choppy down here, but right now, okay, this is not really what we want to trade. Look at this. This is a quarter position wick here, quarter wick here, quarter wick here, quarter wick here. I mean, it is popping up and down and getting nowhere, right? This is highlighter price action as I talk about it. This is highlighter price action. This would normally look like this, right? Like this. This is nice right here. You see how nice this is, right? This is just like this, right? This is what we want to trade. We don't want to trade this shit. Okay? You got to be able to understand the chop, right? You see how in here, right? You got retest to previous highs, right? You can see retest to previous highs. You got nice constructive VWAP reclaim, right? Continuation, right? This is just flat out ugly, literally flat, right? So this is not something you want to touch. It's not trending. It's just coming back for liquidity and creating liquidity above, right? VWAP golden pocket trend line, okay? VWAP golden pocket trend line. So we want to take longs down here, if anything. Oops. And go from that. What we can see is my favorite pattern, everybody. I love this pattern, okay? I'm kidding. I absolutely effing hate it. Symmetrical triangles. 50-50 pattern, okay? How do they trade, right? So with any triangle, you got to wait till you're 70% completed. 70%, right? So about there, right? So here we are, 70% of this triangle, I would say, okay? 70%. So then you get the jig and the jag, right? The first move is typically not the best move. You typically have a fake out first. Then you get acceptance, and then you either rug or you bounce off the lower part, and then you go. So I'm very cautious for the breakout retest here is what I'm trying to say. Now, There's some things on Market Cipher that suggest we can continue upwards. There's some things on Market Cipher that suggest we can continue downwards, right? My job here is to be patient. I would prefer here for the long. However, if we do hold these highs in here, we could be looking for a continuation up, but I want to see the proof in the pudding. Right now we're retracing. Not so good. The 1 hour Market Cipher rolling back over, the 2 hour rolling back over. 2 hour trigger waves scare me these days, guys. Look at the 2 hour trigger wave right here. All right. Look at that 2 hour trigger wave. It's nasty, man. That's a nasty dump, right? That's a nasty dump. So I'm cautious here. I'm cautious with the longs here. However, I don't know if you're a stupid money concepts trader or a smart money concepts trader or just a concepts trader, but you do have your PO3 accumulation, manipulation, and then potentially distribution, right? Right, PO3. It's just call it an AM, AMD, right? This is a smart money concepts idea, right? We'll see. We'll see. To me, this is retesting previous lows and trying to get above it. That's as simple as I can keep it. If we want to, we have liquidity here, okay? We're retesting previous lows, and we want to see rotation up to grab liquidity. Me and Crypto Crank were talking. These guys at 72 cannot be safe, man. They can't be safe, man. Like, this thing's not going to, I don't know. We could get like an SFP in here and a bounce. That would be nice. That would be the juicy trade, in my opinion. Because we haven't hit golden pocket yet, everybody. If we go from swing high to swing low, we haven't hit golden pocket, right? We haven't hit that beautiful golden pocket yet. So that would be the juicy trade, in my opinion. Right? And that would give us like bull divs on a 4 hour, I think. Anchor trigger wave, yeah. So if we swept down and we went like this, yeah, baby, right? Now that would be cooking. That would be cooking. But we'll see. We're retesting the previous lows, trying to get acceptance above the range. We do not need to complicate this. Can it get going? We'll see, right? Choppy at the toppy. No touchy, right? Choppy at the toppy. We don't touch it. We wait until we get better, I don't know, not better confirmation, but better price action, right? Like right now we're order block retest, trying to push out. Cool. We can track momentum to the downside here if we really want to split hairs, right? Oh, we're breaking out. We'll see. Where are we at in the chart? We're at the top of the range. If we're retesting previous lows, we're at the top of the range. What do we do at the top of the range? We short, right? What do you do at the bottom of the range? We long. Okay. So trying to keep it simple today, guys. We don't have much news. Looking at the news data here. Existing home sales at 10. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be a big doozy for that. But core inflation and inflation tomorrow, guys. So we got inflation tomorrow. So that'll be a fun morning. So we're pretty free to trade here if we want. Nice push out here. Holding, pushing out. 1 minute bull div continuation. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long from maybe yesterday. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short from the top. Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Hockey day today. How you going, mate? I'm doing well. I had a hard trading day yesterday, but you know what? It's reset and refresh and keep going, man. That's it. Very choppy yesterday. Mr. Arpad, triple. Good to see you. Explosion. Bram, thank you for being here, baby genius. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Aldo, Chantel, Tom, Keen Bean, D, Crypto, Beckman, Bat, Froth Dog, Curtis Hill, Midnight Hammer. Good to see you guys, man. Thank you for being here. Mr. Arpad, Shubham, Triple. Good to see you guys. Chris Face. Mr. Harp himself. What's going on, bro? How are you doing? How's it going? Harp. Greenbud, Jax, pretty sure Slovakia last night. Sweet. Good morning, Milan. Mind mates. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Just inverse. So like this is what you do not touch, right? This is top blasting. We do not touch this thing, even if it wants to rip. We would like a setup down here before we get in up here. Dardar, Aldo, Cams, good to see you as well. Jesse Haluk, 100% change it. Jesse, I said nobody's allowed to at me anymore for my attention. I'm going to give you a timeout. I don't know if you were here for it, but I'm going to put you in a 10-second timeout. Just laying down the law, one person at a time. Do you sell black hoodies like you're wearing? Yeah, absolutely. We have a whole merch store. You go to AlexOCrypto.com. Go to the merch. I don't make like any money off of these things. It's all for the community. And you get the black hoodies. Got a whole bunch of them. Hats, whatever. Make crypto honest again. Mugs. Steve Ruggles, Wanking Chariots. All the good stuff, man. And the mat. The mat's the best, man. Well, we refresh the mat every year with Otter Gang members. Which is sweet, man. If you're wondering, you got all the Otter Gang in here. And we refresh this with all the members. They get to make their own little guy, and I spend 5 hours cutting it out again. But it's worth it because I like the community Otter vibe it has. For all the gang members, man. What's going on, Bond? Good to see you, DGH. Nice push. Good morning. I don't dump anymore, but home. Where's my mullet dog? Sorry, man. It's not fair to income. I'm not Australian, man. I've never seen so many mullets until I moved to Australia. Japanese toilets. Let's go. I remember I used one of those for the first time and it started like warm water on my butt. Guys, if you're not used to that stuff, I mean, I jumped. I ended up being more messy than the Japanese toilet wanted me to be, you know? Just give me some toilet paper, please. The barber's got skills. Reels recognized. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I never used the school restroom. Good morning, Blockchain Crusader, Jax, SM. Good morning, beautiful otters. No diggity. What's going on? Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, Piper? How you doing? I owe you a phone call, man. I was thinking about you yesterday. Not on the toilet, I promise. Going through the videos, getting my refresher course with the alpha available. That's it, man. Get through those must videos there, Curtis Hill. That's where you're gonna get the most value, I would say. Let's get through the family must videos here. We got using the exchange, orbs, fibs, VWAPs, style. We got like master classes on mindset, chart layout, entries, how to trade the boxes, bias, VIX, risk management, how I do it. My best video for now. Down only with rules. I mean, it's all there, man. Halfway down the candle continuation trade here. I'm not top blasting today, guys. I did enough of that yesterday. Daga, good to see you, man. How you doing? Dusty, LJ, Isaac. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. If you know, you know. Kodak, nobody in these markets. No wonder we chop. I mean, we gave a great Solana long yesterday from the low. Absolutely printed. Where was it? Was it this guy right here? I think it was. Or was it this guy? Yeah, it was this guy. I printed so fast too. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. I don't put a lot of trades on my charts a lot of the time, but you can see here. We were looking here to rotate up to VWAP. Okay. We were looking here. 78.95. Tappy tappy. 78.95. Reduced risk. Valhalla. Right. We go back here. There it is, right here. Up to VWAP. Where's VWAP? I even let you know when I closed the damn trade. I closed it at VWAP. Look at the close, guys. Even told you when to close the damn thing, because then it dumped, because yesterday was choppy. Even told you closed 2:30. Closed. What time is it here? 2:30. There's 2:30 closed. See? Magic. Spoon feeding is the way, man. I like to hand out the spoons every now and then. Why the heck is that opening up over there? Do we have the picture of the spoon feed? I don't know if we still have it. Looking. I don't have the spoon on my desk anymore, guys. Oh, there it is. Are you guys hungry? I know you're hungry. I'm actually pretty hungry. And then we have the Giga Chad Alex. This is when people tell me they blew up their account. Don't blow up your account. Use risk management, please. Okay. Solana chopping at the WAP right now. Trying to hold. Local point of control. This price action's absolute dog shit, mate. That's what I think. 340 people here. Thank you for being here and hanging out. All I ask is that you say good morning. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Even with a bidet, you need a little... Guys, this poll is getting out of control. It's like morning poop talk. Long, too short. Nice. Good job, guys. Nice shorts, nice longs. There is no spoon. Great survey. I think it is, important to have the best polls in all of crypto. I joined the Discord. Can only see a few charts. Is there anything else for free? Or just subscription based? So we used to have a big section for free, and we don't anymore because of the amount of scammers. Like when the channel got a lot bigger, we had a whole bunch of channels, and it's now turned into like a breeding ground for. We used to have a whole bunch in here, but we've taken that away. We have the library and stuff, but in Otter Talk or Ask Me Anything, I'm pretty quick to respond, and I'll get back to you if you do need help with anything or you have some questions. I'm pretty good for answering in the free section. So, but yeah, we've reduced it quite a bit because of the amount of scammers coming in, and we used to have like 10 channels, and now we have 2 because you used to get like 10 messages from scammers. Oh, click this link and you'll be free for life, and here's your $1,000, whatever. And it's, I get messages almost. I got a message yesterday about someone who got scammed $3,000. Like, breaks my heart, man. Breaks my heart. I hate seeing people fall for that shit, Giga patience in play today, yeah. Absolutely, G1. What up, PB? Good to see you. Dude, good morning. It's going 2:30 very soon. Looking for a nice entry. You think it's going to dump, dude? We'll see. Skull Tattoo, Andrew Cameron. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. This has trapped everybody, right? So you have the breakout, the retest, and the continuation, and everybody's looking for the retest in here. And then it gets a lot of people, man. Like if we're on like a 12-minute here, and we're looking at this, right? This is a classic breakout retest trade, right? This will get you absolutely wrecked, mate. This trend line is horribly drawn. There we go. Time frames. That's why. But at the end of the day, like it's all fine and dandy to draw triangles, but we know resistance and support. This is our range. We should be looking for shorts here. Correct? Yeah. We know that. We don't need to complicate it. I got a new portable screen yesterday, so I have a fourth screen now. A fourth screen. It's because I'm going to Mexico, so I wanted because I have like a desktop replacement laptop, but I definitely need another screen for when I stream from Mexico. So definitely now I feel like I got too many screens. View up's the best thing since loafed bread. Loafed bread, French toaster, sliced bread, bro. The best thing since sliced bread. Hey Alex, what's your setup for today? Are you waiting? This is chop at the top, and the price action here is absolutely grim, mate. So, I'm not looking to necessarily jump into a trade right away. I'm trying to be patient. My trading day yesterday was actually horrendous at the beginning. I did not trade well. On Thursday, I got chopped up, and then at the end of the day, I traded much better, right? I was down like 5K after I did good market open, but then I was down. I over traded, and I kept giving it back. Like I round tripped a lot yesterday. But then at the end of the day, I started taking much better trades with lower position size, and I ended up only being down 2K. So that's fine. I mean, we're going to have red days. It wasn't about recouping the losses from yesterday. It was about being disciplined and taking the strategy setups again and again and again, right? Like, it wasn't an easy trading day for me yesterday. And I shared about that with the community yesterday, which is important, right? This was my trading day yesterday. 4,000 up, 4,000 down. 4,000 up, 4,000 down. That was my trading day yesterday. To sum it up, right here. Just poor risk management at times, and then, well, initially in the day, poor risk management. Trying to hit some home runs, which was stupid. Like, I'm not. Some things like sometimes I'm not quick enough to catch myself. You know, when I'm tilting, but when I need to go and step back and refresh. Right. Sometimes I can get the tunnel vision. And I think everybody here gets that, right? You get the tunnel vision and you're over trading and the money is just going bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, right? It's not really constructive trading, right? That's the one thing I would suggest as a scalper that is not generally healthy, is that everything can look like a trade setup, right? Doji engulfing, slap here, slap there, support and resistance, continuation, right? Anything can look like a trade as a scalper, but is it A plus, right? Is it A plus? Is it something that, typically pays me all the time? That's the hard part, man. That's the hard part. Right? Like, there's nothing here for me besides that we are breakout retesting. Am I getting long here? Not really. I would much rather this thing halfway up the candle, rotate back down, slap into view up, reclaim this, and bounce. That's what I would like. That's A plus. Right? Look at this. Who's touching this, man? This is disgusting. They've wrecked the bulls, wrecked the bears, wrecked the bulls, wrecked the bears. That's a 0.5% move. That's horrible, man. This is horrible. You're gonna get absolutely demolished in this. Look at this. That is gross, man. That is gross. So, yeah, pick your poison, right? Like, what are you looking to get out of it, right? This is filthy, man. This is filthy. What's the VIX at today then? Holy smokes, 17.5. That's it. That's climbing. It's climbing. So Solana. Oh my God. Solana key level. So we could have longed here, but I typically won't touch Solana if Bitcoin's doing the same thing. It's a 1% move on Solana. That's crazy. Holding VWAP. Bitcoin can still come down. Yeah, Solana looks enticing here. Solana, the reclaim of VWAP would have been a very nice trade here, but look at the way it's going, man. It's best to wait, in my opinion, right now. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you. Spoon feeding galore in here. Thank you for that and your honesty, good man. Yeah, I mean, we have good days. We have absolutely fantastic days. We have bad days. But bad days are lessons, right? Bad days we need to take the experience that we grow from, right? Like, I mean, we're here trading and it's algorithmic bots trying to kick our ass all day long, and they kicked my ass yesterday. That's okay. What do? We adjust, we reset, right? It's just like my January, right? My January, leading up to my grandparents, I was up $40,000. I came back from my grandparents, lost $15,000. I adjusted and was flat. Okay. I reduced, so I was trading like a $80,000 account here. I had 80K on the exchange. I took off that money and I started with 10K again. Okay. I started with 10K again. I put blockers, physical blockers in my way. And then from that 10K, I turned that in 1 week, right? In 1 week, that simple adjustment in 1 week, I turned that into, 38? Right? So it's the discipline, it's the risk management, it's everything looks like a trade right now, right? Everything. Is it? No, it's not. It's not a trade. This is chop. Anchor trigger wave trying to push out here. Continuation up possibility. You think Bitcoin will push to the top of the range? Well, when looking at this, what do we see, right? We see an Etch-a-Sketch, really. It's very simple, right? We need to reclaim the previous range, right? These shorts need to get taken out. How we get there? Like I said this morning, like we're doing this herp and derp here, right? Trying to break out, retest, go. But we major resistance. This is our range, right? So we're trying to trade within the range until proven otherwise. I would prefer to see this, right? No golden pocket taken yet, right? Order block down here, golden pocket. That would be where I would like to long. I would like to see them trap longs this morning, dump it on everyone's head, and then we get going. Because if we just come into this range here, like this, and we reclaim this range, and we hold, then we rotate back up maybe Friday, there's going to be some reckoning, I think. So I'd rather rip the Band-Aid off and get going. Liquidity, right? Where are we going first? Not for me to decide. But I do know we're at resistance right now. So we wait. And longing up here is definitely risky because you're coming right into resistance. So looking at market cipher too. So market cipher, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. The 4 is trying to push back, which is good, but VWAP's overextended, which can cool off. The 3 hour is pushing back. Money flow looks good, but VWAP's overextended, could cool off. 2 hour trigger wave warning. If we roll over this morning, this is detrimental. Red money flow, this is breaking down hard. 1 hour, same thing, overextended, VWAP coming down. Okay, this is all warning signs to me. To just be patient up here, right? We have higher highs, higher lows, but look how we got there, right? Like it's Chop City, right? This would make more sense. This would make the most sense. Accumulation down here and then pushing back out. But right now we're just chopping at the top. It's the top last song. That's where we're at, right? So for me, I'm just trying to remain patient here, because I do not want to get caught in the chop. I want to be patient. Great stream last night with Crank. Listened to it this morning while at work. Thanks, Wayne. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day, Wayne. Everybody in the Discord saying good morning. NASDAQ flying this morning. It's a trap. It's gotta be a trap. Yeah, that's concerning. SFP of the high here, range bound. Coming down. We'll see. 637. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 837. Thank you for liking and subscribing on the video. So, good morning. I'm so tired. That's probably a good sign to not trade today, Steve. What's going on? Zion, Django, Jojo. Good morning, damn scammers. Yeah, scammers are horrible, man. Wally, good to see you. DZI. Today, pull is sick, I admit. How many times you flush? Would you draw a trend-based fib on this? For what? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to predict like where price is going to go? Right, trend-based fibs are useful, especially for macro analysis. But you could go trend-based fib here. You go swing low to high. And then you would pull this down here and you would look for extension levels. Right, so you could, I mean, that makes sense. 74 makes so much sense. Why does 74 make sense? Because it's a retest of previous lows as well over here. Right, macro analysis, guys. Right. The macro is so important, so you don't get caught in the weeds, right? Look at that, right? That would make sense to me, taking this, retesting this low. But we'll see. I do like trend-based fibs. Trend-based fibs basically called this move here. So if we go, I'd have to go to a different chart. But you could use, that's fib time. But you could use your macro chart. Don't mind my macro chart, guys, okay? Don't mind my macro chart. It's your brain on drugs, right? But if you're going from the low to the high to the low, and you're looking for this thing, how it's going to play, if you go even from this low to this high here, and you go back out here, you can see that we hit our golden pocket almost perfectly, right? It's crazy how good it is, right? It's crazy how good it is. If you went from COVID low, you'd shrink that down, but you go from the low to the high to the low. And you can set this on log if you wanted to do logarithmic or whatever, but this is why you're looking to sell up here, right? Same with the regular fibs, like your fib extension from your high to your low gave you 124 as well. Or the 2 to 2. Yeah, the 2 to 2 was perfect here, right? This is your sell wall, right? And if you did it here, right? If you did it here, you would have seen, diminishing returns. So if you have diminishing returns, everybody, right? You move this fib back over here, right? If you hit your 3618 last run, right? So what's diminishing? 2618, 2. So these are the 2618, 2. Those are the diminishing returns that you should have been looking at to sell. Okay? See how that works? Anyways, this isn't macro lessons, but yeah, trend-based fibs are good. Piper is very good at trend-based fibs as well. That's why I send you to him for macro analysis and fundamental analysis and news data, because he's the data guy. Okay. Nice push here for Biddy. Choppy at the toppy, guys. Choppy at the toppy. No touchy. Unloafed bread. Same. Everyone is saying the same lately. What the... Alex, have you seen TBM's video? Talks about his base hits. Very good video. Yeah, absolutely. No, I've watched it. Of course I've watched it. He's my Man Crush Monday, guys. You guys know that. Outliers do outlier things, right? I think Dave just made a song. Outliers do outlier things. TBM has been my secret mentor for trading. Like that's why I send you over there, because he's helped my scalping more than he knows, right? His mindset stuff, his kind of style, his base hits, that's what helped me turn profitable. So you always pay your dues. You respect the man. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about, it's Trades by Matt. He trades the NASDAQ. He makes $4,000 in seconds. He's incredible. He's an incredible trader. Trades by Matt. Go and check him out. But yeah, man. Look at the payouts and everything like that, right? Big payouts, big trader, kicking ass, taking names, wick test, CVD, volume. Nice push here, guys. Solana pushing too. Solana was the trade this morning, guys. NASDAQ continuing to climb. Solana was the trade this morning. I missed it. You guys are all long, right? I don't need to do anything. I don't need to help you guys at all. You guys are all Gucci. Order block VWAP reclaim. Yeah, that's the one for Sol LJ. I missed it. We had the buy level here, support level as well. SFP, bull div, right? This is bread and butter. This is A plus basically, right? You're entering on this candle right here. Right here on this candle close right here, you got bullish divergence, VWAP reclaim. Stop loss goes below the low. Target the liquidity of the lows. Fair value gap. Right? So that's your target for this move down. It's all there. I missed it. But that's A plus, man, all day. That's A plus all day. Now it's dealing with the FOMO, right? It's like, okay, I missed this trade. Where's my next trade? Well, it's not here. I'll tell you that much, right? It's not here. This is now what? Golden pocket, retracement area, retest of previous lows and highs, resistance. So this is more likely to come this way, right? The trade was here, not here, right? Right, so on to the next one. We wait, right? See how Bitcoin didn't really do it, right? Bitcoin didn't sweep the lows and reclaim. Plus VWAP's way down here. So you don't have an extra set of confluence, which is always nice, right? You have that extra set of confluence on Soy Boy Lana here, and off to the races you go. Because this looks like it can roll over now. This looks like it, yeah. This is not where you trade it. A plus. It's okay. That's what I mean. Sometimes I'm on here talking so much and teaching and blah 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 blah, and you get distracted. Made you a new track. Outliers doing outlier things. We'll play it when I go for coffee. Dave Digital. That means I'm gonna miss it though. I might have to play it now. Let's see it. Outliers do outlier things. Uh-oh. Sounds a bit gay, Dave. Otter's in the chat. Morning, Piper. Oh, they can't hear it. I'm listening to it right now. Sorry, I messed up, man. I had the desktop audio off. I'm gonna go get coffee.
Yeah. Outliers do outlier things. Different mind, different swings. I don't rush, I don't chase. I let the market show its face.
Yeah, most want fireworks bright and loud. I want quiet edge, not crowd that chase the spike. They need the thrill. I wait for structure, I wait until if it's not clean, I let it pass. No forced trades, I move with class flat. It's fine, I stay in control. Patience compounds inside my roll.
Outliers do outlier things. Small edge, small swings. Base hit stack, let it ring. Outliers do outlier things. Be patient, be still. Wait for the edge, then execute with skill.
I don't need home runs to win. Consistency is how I begin. One clean setup, risk defined. Take the base hit, grow the line. Capital safe is power earned. Lessons logged, discipline learned. Stack the singles, protect the stack. Win slow, never give it back.
Patience is profit, waiting is strength. Execution over impulse, long game over length. Base hit, again. Outliers win because they win. Then enter in. Outliers do outlier things. Different mind, different swings. Base hit, stack back, that's the plan. Patience builds the discipline, man. Outliers do outlier things. Slow edge, long wins. Take the base hit. Protect the stack. Compound forward. Never back. Yeah. Yeah. Outliers do outlier things. Different mind, different swings. I don't rush, I don't chase. I let the market show its face.
Yeah, most want fireworks bright and loud. I want quiet edge, not crowd that chase the spike. They need the thrill. I wait for structure, I wait until if it's not clean, I let it pass. No forced trades, I move with class flat. It's fine, I stay in control. Patience compounds inside my roll.
Outliers do outlier things. Small edge, small swings. Base hit stack, let things. Be patient, be still. Wait for the edge, then execute with skill. I don't need home runs to win. Consistency is how I begin. One clean setup, risk defined. Take the base hit, grow the line. Capital safe is power earned. Lessons logged, discipline learned. Stack the singles, protect the stack. Win slow, never give it back. Patience.
It's all right, Dave. I like the top blasting one better. I don't know if that one's a hit, bro. I don't know if that one's a hit. What do you guys think? Out of 10, everybody. Out of 10, what do we got in the chat? I would give it a 7. I'd give it a 6 plus. What do we got in here? Programming his subconscious. Let's go, Dave. Outliers do outlier things. This is basically a shill channel for Trades by Matt. Dave was singing. He was doing the ooh-oohs in the background. We dancing for sure. All right. You guys all dancing. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you, Randy. How you doing? Jojo, silence equals trade. Yeah. I'm in no trades, guys. I have not taken a trade today at all. Okay? We are chilling. Hanging out with you guys. Compared to top blasting 5. 4 because I'm feeling nice today. Kipo, good to see you. Top blaster is 100. Who are the weirdos under the bottom here? The only reason why you go under the bottom for toilet paper is because you have pets. That's the only reason why you do it. Because the dog will just ruin your whole roll of toilet paper. It's the only reason why you do it. Or the cat, right? Whatever. Or your toddler. Toddlers count as pets too, right? Until they're about, I don't know. You guys with kids, at what age do they get out of like the toddler animalistic behavior? You guys got to let me know, because my son he's started, man. He wants to always be lifted up. He'll drop and start crying out of nowhere. It's like emotional damage all the time. It's 33. 33. I mean, yeah, I'm 30. I'm turning 36 this year. So, I mean, yeah, I agree with that statement. They will never stop, says Miguel. Somewhere around 30 if you're lucky. Gabron, this is a constant statement, man. I noticed you take more longs rather than shorts. This is a constant statement in my chat, man. It's not true. We short and long all day long. You maybe on the live stream we take more longs. Four. I gotta wait till 4. I got another 2.5 years of this. 19. 2 boys and 3, 5, and it's a pure jungle here. Yeah. Morning nonstop. Good to see you. Haircut looks fresh. Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah. Trust me, at 4 it doesn't not stop. Does not stop. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna ask that guy who trades Asia for his dart gun. You know that guy? You guys know that guy who trades Asia? Come on, you guys all know that guy who trades Asia. I'm gonna ask him to borrow his thing. You know, he be trading Asia. Thunk. I need one of these for my child. You know? Come out and trade Asia with us. Thunk. That's what I need. I need to borrow that guy's blow dart. You have a boy? Age 7, it stops. Okay. I'll survive. I'll survive, guys. Pretty much once they start school, the sparkle in their eyes start to fade. I don't think my son's going to go to school. I don't think school's going to teach my son anything. Maybe I'm crazy. I think my wife will do a better job and put him in lots of sports and socialize him. Nice push here for Biddy. Nice push for Solana. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Nice push today. Nice push. Let's see if it wants to continue. Nasdaq's climbing quite nicely this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream and smashing up those like buttons. And the only thing that I enjoyed about school was fucking sports teams. That's it. There's nothing that AI, by the time my son's older, there's nothing AI won't be able to teach my son if he wants to learn it. Right. Nice push here. SFP of the highs here. SFP of the highs. Nice little push here. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Let them cry. Don't freak out when they do. Eventually they will stop crying and you realize you don't pick them up when they cry. Yeah. I do that. I don't know if my wife does that yet. Just be careful, man. Homeschool kids can get fucking weird. Yeah, I agree. But homeschool kids in our generation and in your generation, because you're older than me, Buck, are fucking weird, man. Because it was a different world, man. There was no computers. There was no cell phones. There's none of that. There's no, like, you got, like, a book to teach your kids kind of deal. Nowadays, it's a whole different world, right? So, and extracurricular sports and stuff like that, I think, are vital. I need my son to know how to kick him in the nuts, slap him in the ear, and push him down on the ground, right? Like, he's got to learn how to do that, right? I used to call it the 3-hit combo: kick to the nads, slaps to the ear, and then the headbutt. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. SFP of the high here. Nice push up here. Big push into market open, eh? What does that mean, right? We're trapping buyers, right? Are we trapping buyers on the way up? I think so. 5-minute block down here. Retest. Continuation trade. Nice start to the day, up 1% so far. No trade right now. Still waiting, everybody. Thank you for being here at the AlexOCrypto show. Utter gang. Nice push. Trying to reclaim this range. So we're trying to get back above here. 68.3, 68.5. Trying to reclaim that range. Nice push up last night. Breakout retest on London. Trying to continue. We'll see. It smells like a fake out to me. But we'll see. No trade right now. I mean, the long was down here. Now we're getting a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, my friends. Bearish divergence. Caution. Bear divs, yeah. Order block retest. Continuation up. Overextended. No trade right now. Still here waiting. The trade was Solana this morning, guys. That's it. That was the one trade. A+ right here. That was our trade. We missed it. That's okay. On to the next one. We didn't take the highs here of liquidity on Solana. We may continue up here. Okay. Bitcoin's taken the high. Solana hasn't taken the high yet. A little bit of patience here. Stop with the teeth slap. What do you mean, the teeth slap? Is that a teeth slap? You don't like my ASMR teeth slap? My sister's homeschooled by his nephew. He's 4 now, speaks 3 different. Oh, look at that. That's cool, man. Yes, says Buck. Good. I was homeschooled 2nd to 4th grade. There were so many weird kids at the homeschooling events. Yeah, I bet. Back in the day. Public school kids. What? What? I mean, there's some real crazy woke ideology going on in those schools nowadays, man. Tea mean tea. Let the kids be kids, man. Let the kids be kids. That's all I gotta say about that. Leave the kids the fuck alone, man. It's crazy. Anyways. We won't go down that rabbit hole. NASDAQ topping out here, rolling over. Well, we'll see where we got. We got half an hour till market opens. Thank you guys for being here. I told Crypto Crank, we had him on the show last night. We had actually a really constructive discussion about, risk management. That was last night's stream where, it's traders helping traders here. Like we're all in the trenches together, right? He had like a $40,000 win yesterday and a $20,000 loss. Like there's balance in the force. However, I told him that I would do a giveaway for his channel. So we're going to do that today. Let me see here. Do we got a video? He's got some new videos. He does some shorts. Should we blow up one of his shorts? Nah, let's just blow up his one of his videos. Shorts. He's gone heavy on the shorts. Live streams. All right, here we go. We'll blow up this video. Unless there's like is there a teaching video he's got? I don't know if he's got a teaching video. Let's just do this video and we'll do another 2-month giveaway here. So go over to this video here. Comment Otter Gang. Okay, comment Otter Gang. Like, subscribe, and blow up his channel too, please. Blow up his channel too. Oh, look at the bear div here, man. Damn, Daniel. Go over to Crypto Crank. Great trader. Good human. Otter Gang. Gang, baby. If you're already in the Discord, we'll give you some USDT. Okay. So I heard my son just went gang. I can hear him out there. Gang. Is he going to say it again? So go through here, comment Otter Gang, subscribe to Mr. Crypto Crank, like the video, and we'll do a giveaway. Damn, this price actions. That's nasty, man. I don't know if I'm going to trade this today. After yesterday, I'm hesitant. I'll put it that way. I'm pretty hesitant to touch this thing. Bear divs in here. We mitigate the low, then we can look for rotation down. We're also going to do live trading in the Discord after this stream here. So we go straight into our Discord where there's no delay. The best Discord in all of crypto, where we have 8 traders navigating the charts, setups, signals, 150 videos of lessons, everything that I do, teaching, live streams every day, 4 or 5 live streams. It's incredible, the community that we've built. Traders helping traders, and that's what it's all about. That's why we had Crypto Crank on the channel yesterday, because he trades, man. He trades, he shows the trades, he shows the losses, he shows the wins, trades big size, keeping it real, right? Keeping it real. 80 comments. I think we can do a little bit better than that. Can we get him to 2,000 subscribers? Can we get him to 2,000 subscribers, guys? That would be cool, guys. Go over here, like, comment, put in Otter Gang, and let's see if we can get him to 2,000. That would be really cool. Here's the link for the giveaway, guys. Rolling over. All right. This is a Model 2 or a Model 1. We got bearish divergence, SFP, dump. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Anybody short now? Did anybody short the SFP? You guys have balls of steel. I mean, we had the sell wall up there, but I wasn't touching that, man. Not on this bullish momentum. NASDAQ kind of gave us a little bit of a tell, but yikes. Yikes, down we go, guys. Down we go. Geronimo. I'm short too. You guys are Model 1 PO4. Yeah, it's a this is a Louis Vuitton model Calvin Klein number 4. It's schlong. It's got a schlong. It's definitely in a schlong. Model 4 Louis Vuitton setup here, guys. Are the 1% shelves you discussed yesterday night based on all-time high price? They're volume based off of fixed range volume profile. You sound like Trader Geo. Oh, man. My family just got up, so I'm going to go and say good morning to my son and my wife. No top blasting, guys. I guess we play the top blast song and then do the giveaway, and then we'll do market open, everybody.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct buy wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market maker saw my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap. Making crypto want us to jam, that's the plan. But top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, bye! Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Soft.
Let's go. Let's go, Dave Digital. All right. Good fun. Good fun, Dave. Discord lit as... Yeah, let's go. What does the Top Blastin' song get out of 10 now? I'm going to give the Top Blastin' 8.7. 8.7. Let's go, baby. The AI songs really are very bad. You said really are very bad. That's it. 7.7. A 9. Django gave it a 9, and Django's a musician. Let's go. 7, 10, 1,000. OG song is 10. Yeah, the original Otter Gang song is definitely a 10. It's actually created by a human. Beatboxing and everything, sampled. A 9 for the Top Blastin'. Let's go. What's up, Crypto Billy's in the chat, man? How do you honor me with such presence, Mr. Crypto Billy, Mr. Alpha Omega? Alpha Omega Crypto Billy, man. Don't fade Billy. Billy's the man. Billy is the man. Okay. Pump and dump this morning coming into market open. NASDAQ cooling off, coming back within the range. We'll see what gaps here for the SPY. We got 15 minutes till market opens. The idea is that we are at the highs here. We need a support and resistance flip and a rotation back up to 69,420 into the pink box. Okay, we have a breakout, retest, continuation trade, except we have bear divs up here. So we have the symmetrical triangle breakout, trying to push. For me, there's typically always a fake out, so this might be the fake out. I like VWAP down in here, golden pocket bounce. That's where I prefer to take the trade long if we're going to get it. I wasn't about to short this as it was flying here, but it does look a little bit more bearish now and as if it can come back down. The market's been very choppy. I got chopped up pretty good yesterday, so I'm trying to remain a little bit more patient in this environment. Just making some adjustments, which is fine. Slow and steady wins the race. So just trying to be patient here. See if we rotate back down. Solana was a trade this morning. Bull div continuation. Now it's rolling back down too. Got bearish divergence rollover on Solana. Typically looking to come back for liquidity. We'll see. We'll see how it reacts down in here. Nice rollover. Bitcoin rolling over as well. Okay, looking a little bit weak. So patience in here. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. I do appreciate it. We're doing a giveaway today, Crypto Crank. You want to go over here and comment Otter Gang, I would appreciate it. We're doing a couple months giveaway for the Discord membership. And then if you're already a member, we'll give you some USDT. USDT. What correlation did you mean on the video with CC? NASDAQ futures. So is it a certain time frame? I always trade the 3 minutes, so I'm always 3 minute time frame. 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute. It's the move, it's the setup, it's the direction, it's the SPY, which way we gap. So yesterday we gapped up, we dumped down, we held support, we consolidated range bound on the SPY. So the gap will tell you where we could go later, unless it's filled right away. The NASDAQ will give you directional bias based on the market. So because the NASDAQ and Bitcoin are so, I mean, you just overlay it. You want to see how crazy accurate it is. It's stupid. But NASDAQ will give you the move sometimes before Bitcoin. Or NASDAQ will help you hold the trade. Right? Look, NASDAQ's going up this whole way here. So it's giving you an up bias when you've dumped down in here. So you bottom out here on Bitcoin and you have an up bias. Right? So you can jump in. It's not perfect, but it does help you, especially when market opens. If you come down like and NASDAQ bottoms and starts doing this, but Bitcoin's still down here, you can look for potential longs, depending on, obviously, price action. How many subscribers do we get here? Did we get them to 2K? 197. Come on, guys. Let's get them to 2K. 2,000, man. 109 comments. I think we can do a little bit better than that, guys. A little bit better. 30 more people. How many people we got in here? Come on. Come on. We got 450 people in here. You can't tell me you guys are all subscribed to Crypto Crank. Come on. Let's go. Don't be a namby-pamby. Get over there. Subscribe. Let's get him to 2K. And let's pump those numbers, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. 9-8. Come on. 20 more people. You can do it. Then we do the giveaway. Let's try and get it done before the market opens because I want a damn trade, man. I want a damn trade. Yeah. Bull div, SFP, rotation down. Trigger, 12-minute. Bearish divergence. Bear divs rolling over. 24. Bear divs. Green dot. Halfway. Still don't like it, guys. Froth Dog, Muhammad, Dunbro, thank you guys. Thank you guys for subbing to Crypto Crank. I subscribe. Thank you guys. Hey, dude. What's going on? BTC, another rejection off February 5th low. Nice. Crypto Billy, I booked my hotel. Coming to Vegas, man. Are you excited? If you guys want to do a meetup, I'll be at Vegas Bitcoin Conference. You can come. I think, Billy, I think we got to do the midget booth one year. Billy, we got to do the midget tossing booth, man. If you are new here, there's a story I tell about the midget tossing booth in college that we had at this local bar. It wasn't a pretty bar, guys, but you would get, I think it was like $30 a throw or $50 a throw, and you get to throw this midget onto a dartboard, and he wore like a Velcro, like the dartboard was Velcro, and he wore a Velcro suit, and you got to try and stick him to the dartboard. Like it was a big ass dartboard, and we used to go there all the time and try to throw this midget on Friday nights on the dartboard, right? And he would wear the suit, and it had like a handle on his waist on both sides. So like he would be here with his Velcro suit on, right? And like he's like just a little bit shorter than I am, and he would have they would have these handles on both sides, so you could grab a leg and the side of them, and you could grab a leg on the side of them. So you and your buddies, right? You and your buddies have like both your hands here, right? And you can get a good heave ho, and you chuck him at the board, right? Wah, and he would stick. But dude, this guy made bank. He's being thrown. Think about this. For 4 hours, this guy's probably being thrown every, let's call it 5 minutes. So you got 60 divided by 5. Okay, so you got 12 throws an hour, right? Let's say he's there for 5 hours. 60 throws times $50. Guys, this guy is making fucking bank. Mind my French, but this guy goes to work on one Friday night, and he's made a week. Throw me all day long, baby. $3,000 cash. $3,000 cash. for 5 hours of work. Sign me up, baby. Sign me up. You can throw me and call me dwarf, call me Frodo Baggins, T Baggins, whatever you want, man. You know I'm an ordained minister. Billy, it's okay, man. It's okay, man. You can confess on, you can repent and confess later on, man. God will forgive you. Forgiveness is important. He says a little short. Guys, I'm 5'4", man. I am a hobbit. Okay, let's not get it twisted. If you come to the Bitcoin conference, all you have to do to find me is take a knee. If you take a knee and just look through everybody's crotches and like that little A-frame, if you're in the Bitcoin conference and you got all these people standing around, right? Just take a knee, right? Just come down here, right? Take a knee and look through everybody's legs, and then there's AlexOCrypto. That's how you find me, right? Every normal person's over here with their big ass tall selves. Take a knee and be like, there he is. There he is. And you'll find me. Ask Billy. That's how Billy found me. Take a knee. Rich Sainsbury, 5'4". Ouch. I'm sorry, man. That's okay, bro. Proportions, man. It makes it look bigger. Anyways, it doesn't look like a button on a fur coat. Let's put it that way. Get 'em. All right, where are we at with You look so tall. Everybody says I look tall on YouTube. Everybody says I look tall on YouTube. That's hilarious. Yeah, let's do a meetup or dinner again. Absolutely, Billy. Absolutely. We'll bring the wife and kids this time, hopefully. 5'4", but 140K a month. I'll take it. That's exactly how I feel, LJ. All right, did we get the subs up here, guys? 2,000? Did we hit 2,000? 199, guys. We're almost there. 199. Go over here, sub. Let's turn it to 2K, guys. We're right there. We're right there. We can do it here. Turn it to 2,000, man. I want to see this thing turn 2K subs. Let's go, baby. 2K subs. Let's tell them. Let's make sure the gang came through. The gang came through. Wait, gotta refresh it. Thank you guys for doing that. I do appreciate it. All right, let's do the giveaway. This thing keeps freezing on me. All right. Comment picker. Put it in here. Otter. Let's go, baby. 12. Get comments. Let's go. Let's go, baby. It's frozen. PB Stack, it is frozen. Why is it frozen? It's frozen. Why is it frozen? Get comments. Sorry, PB Stack. That's not fair. It did not roll. All right, let's try again. David Pereira. Let's go. Otter gang. Congratulations. Sorry, PB, but it didn't roll properly. Come over to the Discord. Claim your prize. The best Discord in all of crypto. Incredible. Congratulations, Mr. David Pereira. I think it's Pereira. Congratulations, man. Let's get into some trading now. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel and hanging out here, smacking up those likes, all those good things, man. You guys done me proud today. Thank you guys for supporting fellow content creators. It's not an easy grind. Oh, man. We're chopping here. We are chopping here. All right. So chop at the WAP, chop. Yeah, okay, so we're waiting. We're waiting right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, taking the trades, showing the trades. No trades today. We should have taken the Solana along. We were too busy teaching. Discord link, please. Discord link is in the description below, my friend. Best Discord ever, yeah. I think so, man. I think so. I mean, 8 traders, constant live streams. We go live scalping right after this, too. Set up signals, you name it. I mean, we gave the long on Solana yesterday. From here, this was our long yesterday on Solana from here to here. Perfect exit, perfect entry, almost zero drawdown. If you can't make $80 on a move like this, 2.5%, I don't know what to tell you, man. 150 videos of lessons, 8 different traders, smart money concepts, momentum, VWAP, scalping, bat patterns, everything, you name it, it's there. Signals, people, live streams, lessons. A constant barrage. I can't even keep up with it sometimes. And it's my job to. So, that's it. This looks like we're going to roll over. Okay, this we have double bottom push out SFP. This looks like rotation down. NASDAQ. Oof, there's the tell. Okay, NASDAQ's rolling over. Market is open. Gap up. We'll see if we get going here, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out this morning. God bless you guys. Big gap up. Nice push. Bitcoin trying to follow suit. No follow through. Solana, choppy. No trade here. Still waiting. Still no trades. Showing the trades, taking the trades, guys. Nothing right now for me. Very volatile environment, okay? Looks like we're getting possibly a Bart Simpson here on the NASDAQ rollover. Lots of liquidity to come back and take, so we'll see. Holding here, though. SPY pushing out pretty aggressively. Rotation, sweeping the highs. We'll see how it goes here. Gap is down. Bitcoin chopping. So we have a 2-hour trigger wave to the downside, which is a big concern for me today. Besides that, everything else is kind of trying to bottom and push out. But we could have a little bit of a pushback here. We have a breakout retest right now on the higher term time frames trying to go here on the 12, right? So we have the break and retest and go. We'll see if we do want to continue to ride this beautiful gravy train to the upside. However, symmetrical triangle breakouts are something that I'm not always keen on taking trades on. I avoid them like the plague, to be honest, because they just don't like to play fair, in my opinion. Rolling over NASDAQ here. SPY holding strong, so no real reclaim of this, so we could come back for this later on. NASDAQ sweep of the lows, trying to bounce. Bitcoin trying to bounce as well. Coming back up here. A little bit of patience. Thank you guys for being on the live and hanging out here. God bless you guys. 493 people on the live stream. God bless you. We'll see where we get to now. Bitcoin trying to break through this barrier. Trying to flip it as support. A couple of taps yesterday. 1, 2, top of the orb. Now we're trying to flip it. Lots of liquidity below us to come and take, though, guys. Lots, so this is always a concern when you've gone straight up all London session and then you're sideways here, right? So a little patience here. Looks like a little bit of a fake out. So we'll see what we get here. Didn't take the high on Solana, so there's still liquidity to come and grab here. In my opinion, never took the high, so we could see a pushback here on Solana, but pushing back on NASDAQ, showing strength on the SPY as well. Bitcoin trying to go here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Congratulations on your long. To me, the long was down here, but we'll see. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And then put a 3 in the chat, or skis in the chat if you are in no trades right now. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless, man. God bless. Good to see you guys all in here. Thank you for supporting. Billy, good to see you. You're the man, Alex. I greatly appreciate it. Would love to also do a giveaway to the Otter Gang. I appreciate you, bro. All good, man. All good, man. Just keep doing what you're doing, man. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again, man. Thank you for coming through yesterday. God bless you, bro. We'll see what we get here. Looks like a fake out to me. Looks like a fake out to me. NASDAQ showing strength, though, guys. NASDAQ's taking the low, showing strength. SPY doesn't have any quit in it. Halfway down the candle retest. See where we get to here. No trade yet. You guys are all long like Donkey Kong or what? You tell me. 2 since yesterday. Let's go, Jojo. Jojo's just sending it to 0, man. His whale form. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. I mean, I would have loved to long London last night. Shamitris is in a schlong. Let's go, Shamitris. God bless you. Thank you for always coming through. Cryptoholics. C-Train. Omar, good to see you guys. Crypto Titan. Good morning. TNB. Mr. Willa. God bless. God bless. God bless. Is that like a turkey? God bless. Gobbles. I smell lower. I smell something. Excuse me. We'll see. We'll see, guys. This is choppy at the toppy. That's what we're doing. We're choppy at the toppy. What did Crank call it? Crank had a chop slop or something like that. I don't know. He had a word for it. There's some chop that we don't touch. I can't remember what he called it. I liked it though. It was good. Yeah, Soul with a nice breakout retest last night. I smell lower too, Django. This tells me lower. This tells me lower. Unfortunately, for all you longers. Yeah, NASDAQ breaking down. NASDAQ breaking down. Mm-hmm. Break it down now. Sloppy toppy? Yeah, we're at the top and it's just chopping around, slopping. Right? If this is a defined range, we are at the top of the range, right? Clearly trying to flip support, right? So we're at the top. It's slop, right? Define your range, trade the range, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it, right? Choppy at the toppy, man. That's where we're at. Enticing buyers all morning, right? This has been like, we broke down. It's like, oh my God, we're going to Valhalla. Oh my God, we're going to Valhalla. Now what are they doing? Oh my God, we're going to dump it on your damn head. The long is here, guys. The long is here. VWAP, golden pocket, mitigation of liquidity. right? But I'm not jumping into this stuff, man. This is just nasty. This is nasty price action, right? Patience is the virtue here. Sweep of the lows, VWAP slap. Let's go. Sweep of the lows, VWAP slap, reclaim and go. That's what I'm looking for. Otherwise, don't talk to me. Nasdaq looking weak. SPY rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana. Here we go again. So now VWAP. Nothing yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Trying to push back here. Sleep of the low. Trying to push back here. Nasdaq's pushing. Reckon all the late longs have been wrecked. Higher lows trying to hold up here. Solana, fair value gap tap. Just to the high. This is like B setup, man. This is where the trade is, in my opinion. Back to the highs, but we might go here. We might go here. Back up. Nasdaq showing signs of strength. I'm still waiting, guys. Still waiting, no trades. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. That's the deal here, guys. That's the deal. You know, none of this fluffy charting shit. That's the deal, man. Coming back in, retest to previous lows, rotation back down. Nasdaq weakness, Bitcoin weakness. All right. I don't like the price action here. This is a scary target, I guess you would say. SPY's still holding strong here. Nasdaq not so good. Not so good. Lots of liquidity to come and grab on the Nas. Lots of supports. It's not a very fair trade to come into short here and to try and target. Like, we got so much turbulence down in here. Like, we're going to hit a lot of support in here. So it's not really worth the squeeze for a short here, in my opinion. We got VWAP right in our face. Same with Bitcoin right in our face. Violence, man. We got violence. We got volume, but direction-wise, it's not very clear right now. So, no trade. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, guys. I appreciate it. I miss the good old days. Don't we all? Money flow divergence. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to the Netherlands. Never ever Everlands. Mid chop chop. Yeah, this is mid chop chop, man. This is top chop chop, man. Choppy sloppy choppy. Toppy shop. Lost 200 on my short yesterday. Hit stop loss. No trade today. Good discipline, Billy. The price action sucks. Absolutely. Are we in a bear market, Alex? We've been in a bear market, bro. We've been in it. We've been in it for 3 years. But we'll see, man. We'll see. I'm always in a bear market. I'm in the mountains, man. I'm in the mountains with the bears. I was golfing this summer, and I was on hole 11, and I got a phone call from the clubhouse saying, "Hey, warning, bear. There's a bear on the fairway on hole 9." I'm not even lying, man. Not even lying. 3 years and hit all-time highs. Yeah, on an institutional adoption narrative, bro. Doesn't mean we didn't jump on the longs and the institution. Good morning, Melissa. Good to see you. Melissa's a day one. Melissa's been subscribed here since I had like 4 subscribers. Everybody say hi to Mel. Hi, Mel. When there's chop like this, there's a big move coming, guys. It's just you gotta let it bake. You gotta let it bake, man. It's like being at some other person's house and you have a number 2. You know, you gotta just hold it. You'll be all right. The toilet paper goes top down, okay? The toilet paper. I think the polls in this channel are the best, man. This is where it's at. Anybody in here who goes under the bottom, like you're a weirdo, man. You're a weirdo. Sometimes I like when when it's not put on the toilet paper holder and you can just do like the swirl thing. You always end up using way too much. You know, like you end up like a mummy, like your sarcophagi. What do they call it? Mummify? Right? It starts going down your arm. You get way too much toilet paper going on. You ever get that? And you can give it like the full wipe from the elbow down. Right? It's like a one wipe wonder. This is way too far, man. This is construction talk. Now you're bringing out the construction talk. You guys one and done, baby. How flexible are you? Buy a bidet, you'll never go back. Billy, I used one of those Japanese toilets once and it sprayed hot water on the culo and I jumped and I got more dirty than I did clean. So we'll leave it at that. Here's the VWAP slap, guys. Coming in the VWAP slap here. Solana breaking down as well. VWAP slap and go. I like the golden pocket a little bit more, guys. Like I want to see it lose the VWAP and then reclaim the VWAP. Here's the slap. Naz is dumping. SPY is dumping. Warning, warning. Warning, warning. It's been a while for a VWAP slap, guys. I haven't taken one in a while. I keep hitting my Windows button. Oh, man. I'm going to regret this, aren't I? Good patience, in my opinion. We wait. We don't even have... Okay, orb is in. Right, orb is in. It's trying to view up slap right now. You got good patience. Aggressive moves through VWAP is typically bearish. There it is. Good patience. Bearish momentum to the downside. Sweep. It's got a reclaim here. NASDAQ dying. Now we're looking for retest of previous lows. VWAP slap down. There's that breakout, retest, fake out that we talked about at the beginning. Solana holding VWAP and previous highs. Bitcoin breaking down. So NASDAQ bouncing. NASDAQ bouncing. Trigger to the upside. 12-minute. 12-minute bear div rotation down. Bitcoin. VWAP reclaim. Candle close. 1 minute for candle close. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Continuation down, continuation down. NASDAQ suggesting down. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. We missed our 618 here. Oh, did we? No, we didn't. We didn't. New pull. I didn't pull from here. I didn't pull from the higher high here. Should we go from impulse? Impulse has been hit. Bad adjustment, AlexOCrypto. Golden pocket tap. Rotation back up. NASDAQ continues to roll over. Solana holding VWAP. Still no trade, guys. Still waiting. VWAP reclaim. That's my bad there, man. That's my bad. I didn't repull my fib. NASDAQ continuing to roll over, though. Warning sign. We're chopping pretty hard here, guys. Chopping pretty hard. No strength on the NAS. SPY's rolling over, too. Suggesting down. This is suggesting down. Solana holding on. Not by a lot. Golden pocket, reclaim, back above VWAP. Typically bullish. Typically bullish. NASDAQ does not give me any confidence here. Neither does the SPY. Retest of lower orb. What do we got for CVD here? I haven't checked CVD today. Increasing CVD, buyers stepping up, so are shorts trying to hold VWAP. Decreasing CVD, bearish absorption up at the top here. Solana, decreasing CVD as well. Not really a tell here. Solana's looking strong here. Orb hold, rotation to the highs here. Still waiting, guys. Can NASDAQ push back? It's still rolling over, guys. There's no strength. I'm not inclined to take the long here. Not inclined to take a long at all. Not inclined to take a trade right now. Not with the way this is. Not the way this is bouncing around. It's absolutely filthy. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live right now. If you're trading this, you're a star, man. You're a star. What's up, Guff? Good to see you, man. Moogie. Not simple, this one. No. I mean, golden pocket tap, VWAP reclaim is typically bullish. But we're at the top. Yeah, here. It's gonna go now. Literally waiting for NASDAQ to bounce. What's the bet? NASDAQ bounces, we go. This is pretty standard. That's what we were looking for, and I'm gonna miss it because I wasn't confident. No execution, like Crank was talking about. You gotta execute, right? Solana should have executed long here. Right? Bitcoin. Off we go here. Nice push. Missing the trade again. That's all right. That's all right. Retest to previous lows. Coming back down. NASDAQ trying to bounce. SPY trying to hold the lows here. I'm still waiting here, which is fine. I'd rather preserve capital than jump into some shit in here. Look at that. So nasty. That's a retest back down. Trying to push out. No strength. No follow through. Still waiting. No trade. Patience, patience. That's it. 4 minute doji. Yeah, filthy market. It's just filthy, man. Yeah, it's just jumping. It's just jumping around. No real, like, you got to reduce your size here. Like, you got to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room. You got high volatility. Solana has really bearish CVD right now. Like, it's rolling over hard. Bitcoin's is coming up, though. Bitcoin's looks strong. So, contrarian here. Bitcoin looks like it can push. Solana looks like it's going to fall off a cliff. High value node. If you miss a VWAP slap, I'm okay, man. Holding orb low. Uptrending momentum on Solana. I kind of missed this, guys. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want. Bitcoin pushing. Nasdaq trying to bounce here. Not bad. We're going to be live too in our Discord right after this, trading live. So we'll jump right over into that after the stream here. I'm still on my hands here. Yeah, no trade. La la la. Waiting games, man. Waiting games. Bitcoin looks good. Nice push for Bitcoin. Yeah, Solana. Look at the CVD on Solana here. It's dying, man. It's dying. But Bitcoin, look at this. Whee! All the way up. Nothing can stop it. So, that was the long. Missed it. That was the long. Missed it. Now we're on hands. We're on hand duty. Hand duty. We got 530 people here, guys. Thank you for being here. Taking the trades, showing the trades. No trades today. It's been very, very choppy and aggressive. And patience is where it's at, man. Patience is where it's at. So 2 trades today, 2 missed trades today, A+ setups. Volatility kind of shook me out, which is fine. We haven't given any money back, though. We had a VWAP slap, golden pocket bounce. Right, so we wait. Now we wait. We're not top blasting here. The DAC is rolling over right now. The DAC and the SPY are rolling over. Another fake out. 1 fake out. 1 fake out. 2 fake out. 3 fake out. 4. 5 fake out. 6 fake out. 7 fake out. More. I feel like a bee rabbit, man. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Such a good scene, man. Such a good scene. If you know, you know, man. You look like a worm with braids. This is so good, man. You said duty. Back test to bounce off the 8 Mile, man. What's going on, Wave Cypher? Good to see you. You're pop. He's pop. No pop. None. Yeah, you know. You know. Oh, man. Too good. And, man, I mean, Brittany Murphy, man. Damn, girl. Wild. Anchor trigger wave Solana. NASDAQ dying. SPY is dying. It's multiplying. We got to break a structure down here as well after that VWAP. So, careful. Chop at the top, guys. Choppy. Trying to hold these highs and this support level here and trying to flip 68.5. Not the greatest price action today, everybody. Good patience, though. I commend you guys for your patience. There's been 1 trade, 2 trades, in my opinion. If you took the SFP of the short, you have big stones. You have the diamond balls. I think we have a diamond ball meme in our Discord. If you like, yeah, we have the diamond ball meme. Like if you got the cojones, you know, the diamond cojones, these ones. This is where it's at, guys. If you took that short from the top there, you deserve. This is your participation award right here. That's some real, that right here, that's some real diamond cojones, right? What the fuck is that? Those are diamond, that's a diamond scrotum, you know, like, you know, diamond hands. It's like diamond hands, except it's better. How many carrots? I don't know, man. There's only 1 carrot that's attached to them, man. It's 1 carrot attached to it, Rich. Some people baby carrots. I don't know. You tell me. But there's only 1. If there's more than 1 carrot, it's go to the doctor. Go to the doctor. That's all I gotta say. NASDAQ dying here, guys. Big warning sign here for breakdown. Big warning sign for breakdown here. We haven't lost orb here yet. No trades. Double carrot could come in. Baby carrot, yeah. You know, baby carrots aren't even like carrots. They're like fake. Have you ever seen that documentary about baby carrots? They're like they're like poison, man. Baby carrots are so bad. They're not even like real carrots, man. Or breakdown, typically bearish. VWAP slap again, trying to push. Caught in the middle. Caught in the middle here. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY trying to hold here. Gap almost filled on the SPY. Bitcoin holding the lows. Bitcoin holding the lows. Considering a long here. Let's get long. Quarter position size, guys. I'm long. Risking 300. We'll see if we do push here. Trying to hold orb and VWAP. I feel like we're splitting hairs here, guys. I only put $100,000 on this trade, guys. take that off. $80 realized. See if we can continue here. Stop loss to entry, man. Very volatile. Another VWAP slap orb hold. Nasdaq's pushing right now, so I like that confluence. But look at this. It's it's so gross, man. This is $80. Whatever. On to the next one. Only one trade today, guys. This is not easy price action, especially for a scalper, man. It's so quick. You got to be fast here, right? Nasdaq pushing out. I thought we were good to go. Clearly we're not. Solana, same deal. Clearly we're not. Big rejection, right? So this is the vol that you're participating in. Normally, guys, I'm $500,000 minimum position size. I just made $100 with a fifth of the money that I normally use. This is shite. Okay, this is shite. Like, most people should not be trading in this. Like, including myself sometimes, right? I guess we could say GG's in the chat, but it's Solana 504, P04, P02. Yeah. Like, the move might be right here, right? But like I used, to me, this looks like it needs to roll over now. Like it just, no sign of strength here. Nasdaq retest to previous lows. If the Nasdaq dumps here, we're going down. The SPY left a little gap here as well. It's shockingly shite, man. Happy days. Made $80 in this shit. I mean, no other trades today. Showing the trades, taking the trades, right? I mean, always showing the trades, taking the trades here. You can see this is the date here, right? I have not taken a trade. Always showing you guys, right? That was, see, this is the 12th here. 0212, 0211. I took some scalp trades last night when I was hanging out with Crank. Just little quick scalps. But you can see no trades today except for the $80 we just made. Started fresh with the $10,000 account at $73 up here. There's the rollover. Okay. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. There's the dump. Nasdaq dumping. See? Nasdaq dumps from here. Retested previous lows. We're going down. What happened? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Everybody breakout retesting. Top chop. Down we go. Solana rolling over as well. Trying to hold this momentum line here. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Congratulations. That's awesome. I love seeing you guys win, man. I love it. Mitigated real quick here. Mitigated. Bottom of the symmetrical triangle here. Losing orb bearishly. Solana. Sheesh. Bye-bye. Yeah. Nasty, guys. Small positions to scratch the edge. That's it, man. Like, I mean, it's not stop loss to entry. Give it a chance, right? I mean, in this environment, if you go stop loss to entry here and it does this, you're getting paid an extra $300, $400, $500, right? I'll take my initial and then bye-bye, right? Home sales is down. Okay, which is not good. I mean, Army Piper will break that down for you after this stream here. Home sales coming down. Expected 4.2, coming down to 3.9. Not the greatest. I'm not your fundamental macro data analysis. That would be Piper. That's why I send you over there so you guys can figure it out after. I just click the buttons. That's my job. I teach you how to click the buttons as best as possible. Got lower highs all the way down here, just rolling over. Very choppy, though. Very choppy on the way down. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody who took them in here. Good job. One quick scalp long. Then big rollover. Okay, sweep of the lows. Trying to reclaim this uptrending momentum. That's mitigated. That's mitigated. Solana retested previous lows. Continuation down. A little bit of a bounce here on the NAS. And roll over here on Bitcoin. Bart Simpson-esque. Big violent bounce back up. Same with Solana. I am done with these trend lines. They can go and suck it. Trying to hold standard deviation 1. Retest the previous low. Possible wick test. 15-minute wick test. See if we can push back up into here. Retest of orb, continuation down trade. Bearish divergence. See, this got me too, man. Like no SFP here on Solana, that kind of got me too, right? Because that gives you the opportunity to suggest that you can come back up to take the liquidity out of these highs, right? Market makers are cheeky lately, guys. Don't get it twisted. Bearish divergence here on Bitcoin is pretty much the tell, right? Up at the highs. Breaking down. Breaking down. Breaking down, breaking down, breaking down. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I want to congratulate you. Good job, everybody. Good job with your shorts. Good work. Good work, guys. I love seeing you guys win. The bearish CVD was a big tell too on Solana. I guess that was a very, you know, this rolling over here on the CVD, very big tell, right? Congratulations on your shorts, friends. Good job. GG's, GG's, GG's. Good job. Look at all you guys short. The VWAP slapped down. Yeah, you can see it now. I mean, you close below VWAP, right? You close back below VWAP, you slap it, and then you dump. Yeah, it was there. It was there, Dave. A little bit harder to see on the 3-minute. Looking for retests back in here, so looking for the short here. Some support here. Losing orb, breaking down. Very nice. Very nice. NASDAQ continuing to bleed out. SPY filling the gap. Gap has been filled now. Potential for SPY to continue upwards now. So warning sign here that the gap has been filled. So possible pushback. Potential for SPY, which means the rest of the market could potentially push up. Bull divs in here on the NASDAQ. Finding some support. Sweep of the lows here on Solana. Still no trade, guys. Still just chilling. I'm not here to overtrade today, I promise you that. One trade, $80. Solana trying to push back here. Let's go to 1 minute. We've got an order block up here. Order block retest. Up in here. A little bit too low for my liking. I would like it. Wild times, guys. Wild times. Very volatile, guys. So, I mean, reduce your size. The moves, I mean, you're going to get paid, right? This is 1.5%, right? This is a big move all the way down here. So, we'll see. Looking for a little bit of a pushback here. We'll see. Like I said, potential here for SPY to push as well. Late shorts coming back. Solana order block tap. Buy level here coming back down. Order block tap here. Potential continuation down. A little bit overextended to the downside. No trade here. I would prefer it to come back up into our support and resistance area here and retest these lows right here for potential follow through to the downside. Nice pushback here. Nice pushback. We got a CVD pushing back as well. A little bit of bullish sentiment here. It's a big dump, guys, so we'll see. Nasdaq showing strength, SPY showing strength. Bottoming structure on Nas. Pushback for Bitcoin here. Solana as well coming back into this area, retesting halfway down the candle into this area. Bitcoin pushing back as well. Bitcoin retested previous lows, VWAP in here. No trade yet. Nasdaq still looking strong. SPY still looking strong. You see how well that gap works, right? The gap gets filled. Now we can go up. Right? Gap gets filled. Now we can go up. You see how well that works? Solana coming into our retest area now. Liquidity's been taken out of these lows by Solana. Now we haven't come down here, but this looks like we could potentially continue down. Let's see if we short Solana here. Just a little one. See if we can continue risking 300 here. See if we can rotate down after that pushback here. Or if we got to come back up. Let's see if we can rotate down to this area down below here. We'll see. Oh man, oh man. Damn. That's crazy. I'm reducing risk here. I don't mind getting stopped out. That's an aggressive push up. That was aggressive, man. I guess the stop was... I put the stop at these lows here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm cutting my loss there. I don't like it. Good cut. Good cut. Yeah, pushing up here. $239 loss. Would have been 400 up here, so good risk management. On to the next one, guys. This market is wild, man. This market is absolutely wild. V-shaped recovery back into the range again, guys. So wild. So wild. 1016. One win for $80, one loss for 200 and whatever bucks. Choppy, man. Choppy. We'll see. We'll see. It's pushing up. That SPY, man. That SPY pushing back up, looking good. Let's go over to the Discord, everybody. We'll continue trading over there. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, supporting me. I do appreciate you guys. I'll send you over to the Piper Academy, guys. God bless you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys, so